Hello everyone, I'm Shayla. You are watching my Ugandan cooking channel, and if you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you. My family, you're most welcome again. Today we are going to prepare chicken plus rice. So this is our chicken. I've already put it on fire. So I'm just going to add some salt and the stems of fresh coriander. These are the stems of fresh coriander. So I'm just going to add some little salt, because after here we shall deep fry this chicken. So I'm going to cook it like for 10 minutes. So now I've finished to boil my chicken for 10 minutes, as you see. Now I'm going to put it aside to cool as I heat the cooking oil. Now this is the pan I'm going to use for deep frying. So I'm heating it first, then I add cooking oil. This is the cooking oil. Now as my chicken is cooling, I'm going to marinate it. I'm going to put some black pepper, then some paprika. I'm going to put olive oil. Then I'm going to put some turmeric. And I'm going to put some Royco. Then I'm going to put some garlic. You can see now I'm mixing. Now I'm going to fry them in the cooking oil. So as we are deep frying the chicken, I'm going to prepare here some veggies. So here I'm heating the cooking oil. Now I'm frying the onions. So as you can see, our chicken is turning the color to brown. I'm going to add here some garlic. So I'm going to add some cumin, some turmeric. I'm going to add some Royco, but I have to mix it with some water. I'm going to add some salt. Now you can see our veggies are ready. Now I'm going to prepare rice. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. So now my family, our food is ready. I'm just going to serve it. These are our veggies. I'm just going to add in some fresh coriander. So my family, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you share, like and subscribe. See you next time. Make sure you comment also. Tell me which country you're watching my video from. Thank you.